channel. So in this video I have something really excited, and I am sure it's gonna be exciting for you as well, because this is a fine jewelry from Joie the Viv. So Joie the Viv is pretty new to me. This is the very first time that I have ordered from them. Actually, I have found these jewelry sellers online via Instagram. You know, those Instagram sponsored posts wherein, you know, based on your phone cookies, they send you or they push the advertisements onto you, and that really hit the right spot. The main reason for me was there was this unbelievable promotion going on. I think I have never seen any promotion like that before. So at the very first time I was little skeptical if this is legit or not, but then I thought, why not, let's give it a try. I've searched couple of YouTube videos as well, but there were not many, so I thought, why not order it and make one for any of you who's trying to, you know, purchase the jewelry from them. Coming to the shipping part, it took around 7 days to receive the order. I have placed the order on September 22nd and today is September 29th, so it took around 7 days for me to get this jewelry at my doorstep, and they have shipped via UPS, and it was a signed delivery. But funny part is the doorman rang the bell, and by the time I went for receiving the package, he just left the package at the door and, you know, left. And that was kind of weird to me. That has got nothing to do with the jewelry brand itself. It is something to do with the carrier UPS. So anyways, let's get unboxing done. So I have not unboxed this yet, so let me unbox it. So the very first thing that I see is a receipt, and it gives the details of the order that I have placed, and they have given the details regarding the returns of it. They say that you can return unworn jewelry within 7 days of receiving your order for a store credit. And then coming to the actual box, there is this bubble wrap. This is how the box came in. It's blush color cardboard box, very neatly wrapped in cream color ribbon. And let me open it for you. So this is how the box looks. It has got this jewelry in here. The jewelry box itself is so luxe. And then here so let me check what it is. So there are few cards. Let me see what they are. One is a welcome card. The second one is the it says, you know, the person who has inspected this jewelry, and it has your name on it. And then the next is a care instructions card, and the last one is a what you call this, social media. So here it is, joietheviv.com, and they have Instagram and Facebook. I'll share the link to this website in case you want to give it a try. And then this one is the most important thing. that you have to consider when purchasing a jewelry which has diamonds in it, because you really wanted to get them certified. So these are the card details. It gives the picture of the piece that you have ordered and all the details. I have ordered a diamond necklace which is in rose gold, which is of 18 carats. So this is a pouch, jewelry pouch, wherein you can store your necklace. This is a magnetic clip on, and let's go into the jewelry part. Are you guys excited as much as I am? So let me open it. Tan ta dan. Drum rolls, please. So the jewelry box has a LED light in it, and you can see the jewelry here. This is a necklace.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept.
So this is the necklace that I have ordered. It has got a diamond there and then a circle around. So let me put it on and show you how it looks.
Here for days, I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So these are the details of the jewelry. It's 1.441 grams of gold, and the diamond carat weight is 0.03063, sorry. And the chain is a rose gold chain. It's very dainty chain. You can see it shines so well. There's the brand name stamped on the necklace back. It says Joie 18 carats. And then there is a lobster clasp here. Necklace is well handcrafted and very dainty. I'm so happy with my purchase, especially because of the whole unboxing experience and the great luxurious presentation. I am not disappointed. I wish I could keep buying more.